What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to turn off autoplay in Apple TV. So stick around to the end to understand how you can do this. We have our Apple TV app here, we're going to tap on it, and here on the home page we can go over to the top right corner. We're going to tap on it, and right here among the other options you can see autoplay. You have two options there, play next episode and play a recommendation. Now both are toggled on for the play next episode. This means that when you're done with one episode, the next episode will automatically play and continue. Alternatively, if you're done with the movie and there is a recommendation, you also get to play the recommendation automatically. So these are what the first and second options are for. So when you know what you want to do, you could toggle it off. If you want to toggle both off, all you need to do is to tap on the toggle button. We've done that for the first one and for the second one. This way, we've turned off autoplay on Apple TV. Let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.